I'm back to do another makeup look, and let's hope this one turns out better than the one I tried filming yesterday. So let's get started. I'm going to be using ColourPop Fade into Hue, and the colors are kind of going to be like green, like teal, and like blue. That's what we're going for. So I'm going to start with, I guess, designer maybe. If you'd like, you can leave your guesses in the comments for what character you think this makeup's for. Okay, that looks pretty good. So there's the kind of bright green. And then we're going to, next we're gonna do dyed up. Actually, fun fact, the day that I'm filming this, the movie is being re-released in theater for the first time because it was released, I'm guessing, I think like during COVID. So, yeah. And then next I need kind of like a teal color, but I think we're gonna do, sorry, I haven't been showing you. I did, the first color was designer, and the second color was dyed up, and next color I think I'm gonna do watermark. And then we'll finish with icon. Also, I really like these little brushes. I ordered them from JCPenney's, and they're the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I like them. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's kind of looking like a character that it's not, but... Or I should say this makeup would work for... I think I might be filming another video after this. I feel like I need some more blue on this other side. And then we're going to finish with icon. So here's what we got so far, which I am loving these colors. Like, I think this looks so good. Let's do some kaleidoscope. It's like a really chunky glitter, kind of over the blue area. I think that'd be kind of, yes, that is perfect. Yes, love it. That looks so good. And then let's do, I don't have like a chunky green glitter, but I'm gonna do this yellow one and maybe see if that will work. I think it should, because these colors are kind of, yes, oh my goodness, this is perfect. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, like doing art stuff on for eyeshadow, not my look, but doing like a blended color look, 100%. Oh, I just realized, like, yesterday was Down Syndrome Awareness Day, and like the colors are perfect. Aw. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love it so much. Oh, that looks so good. I did the yellow glitter one was Lucky Charm. That one, and the blue one was Kaleidoscope, which was that one. But I love it so much. It turned out so good. So this was all palette I used was Fade into Hue. Hope you have a great day. Oh, leave your guess in the comments if you think you know what character this was for. But I'm definitely going to be using this makeup to do a different character. So if you guess that one, it's okay too. I hope you have a great day.